Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel Chandan Singh English Trainer. Well guys, in previous video I taught about adjective which are in V3 form, and I told you that if adjective is in V3 form, it means you will come across V3. You have to figure out whether it is adjective or any action is going on. So if it is adjective, it means there is no action going on. It will tell about state of being. So you have to practice. You have to like take 20, 30 or maybe 50 that V3 adjectives. I have a list here. See, I have a list here. I have taken from the Google. You can also take. See, 52 words are there, and here you can see V3 adjective and ing adjectives. Okay, so take V3 adjectives and after that start asking questions and replying. First of all, let me tell you that if it is on this structure, subject, if you find is, are, am, was, were and V3, and if the V3 is adjective, it means it is a state of being. There is no action going on. It means if I say this window is burnt, if I say this window is burnt, just a minute. Yeah. So see, this is subject, this window is subject. You can see is here and here burnt. So is this burnt action or is this burnt adjective? That you have to figure out. Okay, how will you figure out? There is no particular rule. You will see the expression of the person who is speaking, the background of the conversation, and after that you will figure out whether it is action or it is adjective. If somebody is saying, hey, look at this window, this window is burnt. So this window is burnt, it means he's saying about the state of being of the window, that if you talk about this window, now this window, you can see the state of being is burnt. It means the burning process is done, and after that burning process, what the result is? That result is that the window is burnt. It means there is no action. But if it is passive, if somebody is saying this window is burnt every year, somebody is saying like that, it means like every year the burning process is done. So here the burnt is working as an action. So you have to figure out whether that is adjective or action. I have already taught in the previous video. So now what you got to do is make some questions, okay, and start talking to yourself. That would be the practice, the full speaking practice, so that you can have command on those adjectives which are in V3 forms. Okay, so let me start. So the question is, why are you perplexed? If somebody is asking, hey, why are you perplexed? Perplexed means you are a kind of surprised. Oh my God, what is this? You are surprised, it means you are perplexed. So somebody is asking, why are you perplexed? It means it is your state of being. Okay, this is the result. It means something has happened which has made you perplexed. Something has happened. Action is already over. Now this is the result that you are perplexed. So if the person is asking you, why are you perplexed? You have to reply, or if you want to ask, you should use that perplexed word, like confused, surprised, perplexed, bewildered. You can use that, fine. So you have to communicate to yourself, why are you perplexed? I am perplexed because the way that boy was doing this stunt was amazing. That's why I am perplexed. You can answer. Were you worried yesterday? Yeah, I was worried yesterday. Why were you worried? I was worried because I was not getting a lot of views on my videos, so I was worried yesterday. Are you excited? Oh yes, I am excited. Excited. Yes, I am excited. Why are you excited? I am excited because I am getting a lot of subscribers these days. Who is confused here? Who is confused here? Oh well, my son is confused here. Why is he confused? He is confused because he is not able to figure out what to do, what not to do. He is a kind of fickle. That's why he is confused. Why is your father frustrated? Well, my father is frustrated because now the corona is spreading in the village and he lives in the village, so he's kind of frustrated. Are you satisfied now? Yes, I'm satisfied. Is she depressed? Yes, she is depressed. Why is she depressed? She is depressed because she has lost her job. Why is your mother annoyed? My mother is annoyed because she wants me to be in the village and I am not going, so she is annoyed. Is she convinced? Yeah, she is convinced. Is your boss disappointed? Yes, my boss is disappointed. Why is he disappointed? He is disappointed because there is loss in his business. Were you delighted yesterday? Yes, I was delighted yesterday. Why were you delighted? I was delighted because I had the food I wanted, so I was delighted yesterday. That's it, guys. So I was just giving you a demo how to practice, how to talk to yourself, because so many people say that they don't have partners to speak. So you can speak to yourself, guys. Okay. So if you want this, I mean the list, this one, 52 adjectives. So you can go to the Telegram channel of mine, which is English with Chandan, and from there you can get this list, guys, and you can start practicing. Okay. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much. Stay connected and keep supporting. Thank you, guys.